Best greeting to all of you. Myself, Sarvan Kumar, Assistant Professor of Botany, MLK PG College, Balarampur. Here, on behalf of FIP 24, organized by Aligarh Muslim University, HRDC, I am going to deliver the stories summary, which title is My Mom Had One Eye Only, जिसका मतलब है कि मेरी माँ के पास बस एक आँख थी. Through this video, I am sharing with you all a story which is extremely emotional, soulful, touching and touching. This story narrates the insight and anguish of son which was deeply attached to his mother, but the circumstances of the life misunderstanding and this distance of time has turned that relationship. But emotion of this soulful story shakes readers on many levels: a mother's silent loves, a son's perplexity, guilt, and finally an eye that says everything word could not. So, this is the stories of mother's sons, the title of which is मेरी माँ के पास बस एक आँख थी, means my mom had one eye only. So here the special forms of this story focus on three main points. First one is pardon, second one is love, and third one is contributions. So this is some like this. A son says that when I was young, my mother had one eye only. Yes, just one eye. So I was ashamed of him. She used to cook food for children and teachers in the schools so that we could survive, so that the house can run. Okay? So here one day she came to school and meet me. I was very angry that time and could not imagine that my friend could think, means मेरे मित्र क्या सोचेंगे. Yes, because he had one eye only. That's when I screamed, how can you my mothers, and I ran away from there. Okay, so here after that day I never looked back. I did not want to have a relationship with my mothers. I worked hard, I studied, and when my life gave a chance, I went to abroad, married. The baby was born, created a beautiful world. I had forgotten everything, and my babe wanted to forget. But again one day, a letter came to my house. There was a reunion ceremonies at the schools. My mother got the news that I was coming. She came. She stood at the door. She just silently at my house. She just stared silently at my sons. With that one eye, I opened the doors and shouted, why are you here? Are not you ashamed? I have been ashamed of all my life. My mother did not say anything. I just grabbed a piece of paper and I quietly left them. I opened the letter much later, and when I opened the letter, I read. My mother wrote that, my son, I am sorry. I know that one eye of mine has been a burden to you, but maybe don't know this. When you were younger, you lost one eye in an accident. As a mother, I could not stand it, so that is why I give you one of my eyes to you, so that you can seeing the words, you can see the beautiful word with both eyes. So I never complain, I never said anything because a mother's. I did not just give you my eyes, he gave his whole life. I always been proud of you. I have been waiting for you. I am sorry that you say away from recognizing me. I am glad my eyes work for you. The son's hands were shaking that at moment, and every was blood from the eyes. And then he repented. Today I can see the whole world, but I cannot see my mother. So, from these stories, some special point comes in this composition of this soulful story that are very impressive. Out of these points, conclusion, first one is emotional intensity. This means mother's silence, the silence mothers, and then saying everything with one eye. This metaphor is extraordinary, a symbol that shakes the reader very, very emotionally. And next point come that a structure of the story. How much this story is structured. It is a flow of self-acceptance that move between the past and the present. So, which in the end transform into the beautiful culmination of atonements and love. And the third point comes conflict and rumors between mother and sons. And the conflict and rumors was that I had no permission to speak on the feeling of the mothers. This line and the whole composition deeply highlighted the depth of the mother's unrequited love and guilt of the sons. And so finally, in conclusion, in one line, we can say that some relationship doesn't make sense. They are just felt. So thank you.